In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share access to envelopes using Docusign Esignature. Sharing access can be crucial when you're managing documents in a team or need others to step in temporarily. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward but fundamental for collaboration in Docusign. First, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is a great tool that dominates in the arena of electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Once there, look towards the top right of the page where you'll find the Login button. Click on this to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, your next stop is the Docusign homepage. This is where you can get an overview of your ongoing, completed or pending actions within Docusign. From this dashboard, you'll want to look for your profile settings, so head over to the profile section. If you're unsure where to find it, it's usually represented by an icon or your user image at the top of the page. Now in the profile section you'll see My Preferences. This is a crucial area where you can customize your Docusign experience. Inside My Preferences you'll find various options related to account settings, notifications, and more. What we're interested in here is the option labeled Shared Access. Shared access allows you to grant permission to others, such as team members or collaborators, enabling them to manage and work with the envelopes in your account. By clicking on Shared Access, you enter the section where you can manage who has access and what level of access they hold over your envelopes. This feature is especially helpful when you're part of a team or when you need someone else to manage certain tasks temporarily. If you wish to add someone for shared access, look for the option to do so within this section. You'll be able to input the necessary details of the person you're granting access to, make sure that you have the right information ready, and decide on the level of access you want them to have. Whether it's managing envelopes entirely, viewing, or partially interacting with them, Docusign allows you flexibility according to your needs. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to navigate through Docusign, access your profile settings, and share access to your envelopes. Remember, regularly reviewing shared access settings is a good practice to ensure the right people have the correct level of access. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you work even more effectively with your team using Docusign.